Here we are on the first of S&J Productions unboxing videos. It's the 1990 Playmates Steve the Tramp figure. Yep. Here he is in his packet, pristine. And today, James will be opening him so everyone can see what's inside the packet. Here we go, 1990.
Yeah, 1990, the Tramp's been inside this packet for 30 years. Yeah, so they're 1990. Yeah, got this figure. I can't remember exactly where, but I paid a measly $1 for it. So somewhere in the States. So, and he's been in the packet ever since. And today,
there's a bit of scuffing here.
There is a bit. He's not in the best condition packet. Yeah. I mean, this is not an MOC figure. So, I mean, not a cart for anyone that doesn't know that. And see, because he's quite faded, but he's still in packet, and it's still considered an in-packet figure.
What does that retail for? A 30-year-old figure, 30 years that's been sat there in its packet.
I'd like to say upwards of £30, but it's probably closer to about 10. So, you know.
But it's the 30th anniversary this year.
It is. I'm sure as soon as I open him, his price is going to skyrocket. But just opening a figure, I have not opened a figure in a long, long time. So it's actually very difficult for me to do it. I feel I'm going against everything in my body, everything in my brain and instincts to open it. But I've got to do it. You see, I have to do it. I have to.
Let's get it open. Let's let him breathe.
Okay.
Let him breathe. Oh, down the edge. Nice tactic.
Because of his age, actually, I'm going to be able to preserve the packet pretty well.
It's coming off quite easy, isn't it?
It's pretty easy. So there we go. There's the front piece.
Look at that. And there he is.
God, yeah, I mean, he's in
absolutely pristine.
Movement is good. And
look at those limbs.
Also got here, we've got some accessories.
Wow, yeah.
Is the bin lid.
Don't be careful.
Be careful. It could still be brittle.
Could be brittle.
I'll leave that. And then we've also got here his knife.
He's not. I mean, figures would not come with a knife these days, would they?
No,
30 years ago,
and also,
guns, knives.
It's a realistic-looking knife. That's the other thing.
Yeah.
And then the all-important plank of wood.
Yeah. Does he use a plank of wood in the film to hit Tracy?
I think he does. And it's pretty brutal because it's got nails on the ends. And if you whack someone with that, that's going to be
one of the best Dick Tracy figures there.
Yeah, could be. Yeah, I mean, like if you were to rebrand this today, that could be Mickey Rourke from Sin City, couldn't it? You know.
And he was a child beater in the film.
I feel very weird to have a backpack. I've opened a figure.
Well, there we are, folks. The first in the S&J Productions unboxing videos. See you same time, same place next week.